The second hidden move is the assumption that belief in God gives Christians a complete explanatory framework for existence, but it doesn't. It gives them a metaphysical conclusion, not a working model, not a theory of everything. A theory of everything in the scientific sense would be a coherent theoretical framework that unifies the fundamental forces of nature and reconciles the major pillars of modern physics, especially quantum mechanics and general relativity. Christianity is not one of those candidates. Christianity doesn't qualify as a theory of everything because it doesn't function like one. It doesn't provide a mathematical model of reality. It doesn't unify the fundamental forces. It doesn't reconcile quantum mechanics with general relativity. It doesn't explain how gravity behaves at the quantum level. It doesn't generate testable predictions in physics. It doesn't explain particle behavior, space time, geometry, dark matter, dark energy, cosmic inflation, black holes, or the relationship between the very small and the very large. It simply says God did it, but God did it is not a theory of everything. It is a claim placed over everything. This is where apologetics often smuggles Christianity into a generic creator argument. It starts with, why is there something rather than nothing, but then somehow lands on, therefore, the Bible is true, Jesus rose from the dead, and you need to come back to church. That is not an argument, it's a leap. Even if I granted a cosmic cause, you still have not proven a Christian creator. You've only argued for a placeholder, and that placeholder still has to be explained. Because if the universe needs an explanation because it's complex, powerful, ordered, mysterious, and difficult to understand, then how much more does an eternal, timeless, spaceless, immaterial, all powerful, all knowing, personal mind need an explanation? The Christian has not given us a theory of everything. They've given us a theory stopper. They've given us a word that ends the investigation right when the real questions begin.